Number 1, cause embarrassment. It means to make someone feel ashamed or awkward.
His mistake in the speech caused embarrassment. His mistake in the speech caused embarrassment. Loudly calling the wrong name caused embarrassment. Loudly calling the wrong name caused embarrassment. Forgetting the password caused her embarrassment at work. Forgetting the password caused her embarrassment at work.
Number 2, cause an uproar. It means to create a loud and passionate response from a group.
The unfair decision caused an uproar among the students. The unfair decision caused an uproar among the students. Her controversial statement caused an uproar. Her controversial statement caused an uproar. The cancellation of the event caused an uproar. The cancellation of the event caused an uproar.
Number 3, come into view. It means to become visible.
The mountain came into view as we drove. The mountain came into view as we drove. A deer came into view in the forest. A deer came into view in the forest. The coastline slowly came into view. The coastline slowly came into view.
Number 4, come to an end. It means to finish, to stop.
The movie came to an end around midnight. The movie came to an end around midnight. Our meeting finally came to an end. Our meeting finally came to an end. The summer holiday came to an end quickly. The summer holiday came to an end quickly.
Number 5, come to a total of. It means to add up to a specific amount.
Our bill came to a total of $50. Our bill came to a total of $50. The project costs came to a total of $2,000. The project costs came to a total of $2,000. Their donations came to a total of $500. Their donations came to a total of $500.
Number 6, come under attack. It means to be attacked or heavily criticized.
The government's policies came under attack. The government's policies came under attack. He came under attack during the debate. He came under attack during the debate. Their team came under attack in the second half. Their team came under attack in the second half.
Number 7, come down. It means to decrease in price.
If food comes down in price, we can buy more. If food comes down in price, we can buy more. When fruit is in season, prices often come down. When fruit is in season, prices often come down. Hopefully, coffee prices come down soon. Hopefully, coffee prices come down soon.
Number 8, mist comes down. It means for mist to fall or settle.
As the mist comes down, visibility gets worse. As the mist comes down, visibility gets worse. The mist comes down on the town every evening. The mist comes down on the town every evening. Early morning, the hills are where mist comes down. Early morning, the hills are where mist comes down.
Number 9. Book comes out. It means to be published or released.
Her new book comes out next month. Her new book comes out next month. I'm waiting for a book that comes out soon. I'm waiting for a book that comes out soon. The latest novel from my favorite author comes out tomorrow. The latest novel from my favorite author comes out tomorrow.
Number 10. Film comes out. It means to be released in theaters or for public viewing.
The new superhero film comes out this Friday. The new superhero film comes out this Friday. Everyone's excited for when the film comes out. Everyone's excited for when the film comes out. The film comes out in June next year. The film comes out in June next year.
Number 11. Complete a course. It means to finish all parts of an educational course.
She will complete the course next month. She will complete the course next month. Many students complete a course in summer. Many students complete a course in summer. After he completes the course, he'll graduate. After he completes the course, he'll graduate.
Number 12. Complete work. It means to finish a job or task.
I need to complete work before the weekend. I need to complete work before the weekend. She completed her work and went home early. She completed her work and went home early. Can you complete work on this by Friday? Can you complete work on this by Friday?
Number 13. Conduct an orchestra. It means to direct the performance of an orchestra.
He will conduct the orchestra tonight. He will conduct the orchestra tonight. She conducted an orchestra at the concert hall. She conducted an orchestra at the concert hall. They learned to conduct an orchestra in school. They learned to conduct an orchestra in school.
Number 14. Conduct a research project. It means to carry out a detailed study or investigation.
We conducted a research project last semester. We conducted a research project last semester. She will conduct a research project next year. She will conduct a research project next year. They're conducting a research project on climate change. They're conducting a research project on climate change.
Number 15. Conduct market research. It means to gather information about consumers' needs and preferences.
He conducts market research for his company. He conducts market research for his company. They conducted market research before launching the product. They conducted market research before launching the product. Conducting market research helps understand customer needs. Conducting market research helps understand customer needs.
Number 16. Close a conference. It means to officially end a conference.
She will close the conference with her speech. She will close the conference with her speech. They closed the conference on a high note. They closed the conference on a high note. Tomorrow, we close the conference at noon. Tomorrow, we close the conference at noon.
Number 17, gain control. It means to take charge or dominate a situation.
He gained control of the company last year. He gained control of the company last year. She gained control of the meeting quickly. She gained control of the meeting quickly. They gained control of their finances. They gained control of their finances.
Number 18, crack a joke. It means to tell a joke, usually to lighten the mood.
He always cracks a joke to ease tension. He always cracks a joke to ease tension. She cracked a joke during her presentation. She cracked a joke during her presentation. They crack jokes to make friends laugh. They crack jokes to make friends laugh.
Number 19, crackdown. It means to start enforcing rules more strictly.
The school cracked down on late arrivals. The school cracked down on late arrivals. Police are cracking down on speeding. Police are cracking down on speeding. The government cracked down on illegal trading. The government cracked down on illegal trading.
Number 20, computer crashes. It means when a computer stops working suddenly.
My computer crashes when it overheats. My computer crashes when it overheats. If your computer crashes, restart it. If your computer crashes, restart it. Her computer crashes frequently during work. Her computer crashes frequently during work.
Number 21, waves crash. It means when ocean waves hit something loudly.
Waves crash loudly against the rocky shore. Waves crash loudly against the rocky shore. At night, we heard the waves crash. At night, we heard the waves crash. The waves crash on the beach continuously. The waves crash on the beach continuously.
Number 22, create awareness. It means to help people become informed about a topic.
We create awareness about environmental issues. We create awareness about environmental issues. Schools create awareness of healthy eating. Schools create awareness of healthy eating. Campaigns create awareness of public safety. Campaigns create awareness of public safety.
Number 23, create a bad impression. It means to make someone think negatively about something.
Arriving late created a bad impression. Arriving late created a bad impression. His rude behavior created a bad impression. His rude behavior created a bad impression. Not dressing appropriately created a bad impression. Not dressing appropriately created a bad impression.
Number 24, create opportunities. It means to make chances for advancement or progress.
Education can create opportunities for everyone. Education can create opportunities for everyone. Networking events help create opportunities for jobs. Networking events help create opportunities for jobs. She creates opportunities by volunteering. She creates opportunities by volunteering.
Number 25, create problems. It means to cause difficulties or complications.
Ignoring advice often creates problems later. Ignoring advice often creates problems later. Miscommunication can create problems in work. Miscommunication can create problems in work. His carelessness created problems for the team. His carelessness created problems for the team.